We'll guide you through how to assign tasks in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. In the search bar, type Asana and press enter to search for the official website. From the search results, click on the Asana website and wait for the login page to appear. Sign into your account using your registered email address and password to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, open the project that contains the task you want to assign. Browse through the project and select the specific task that needs to be assigned to a team member. Once the task is opened, the Task Details panel will appear on the screen with all related information. Locate the assignee field within the Task Details panel and click on it to view available options. A list of team members will appear, allowing you to choose the person responsible for the task. Select the appropriate team member from the list and assign the task to that person. After assigning the task, add a due date if needed so the assignee knows when the task should be completed. Review the task details carefully to make sure all information is accurate and up to date. If necessary, add comments to provide instructions, context, or additional information related to the task. Asana will automatically save your changes, so no manual save action is required. If the update does not appear immediately, refresh the project view to ensure the latest changes are displayed. Verify that the assignee field now shows the correct team member and confirm that the assignment has been updated successfully. Continue managing other tasks within the project as needed after completing the assignment. Once everything is confirmed, close the task panel and return to the project view. The task has now been assigned successfully and is ready for the selected team member to begin working on it. This assignment will also help ensure clear ownership and accountability for the task within the project.